Today I'm going to show you how you can sell Notion templates in 2025. So to create templates that actually sell on Notion, what you're going to do is first things first, you have to focus on functionality and ensure that the templates solve a specific problems. Then you actually have to make them customizable so that the buyers love your templates and they can tweak them to fit their own needs. And then finally, we actually have to design this for simplicity. And we have to avoid clutter and keep the layout intuitive. And we have to also remember that the best templates are those that are easy to use and deliver value immediately. And here are some marketing strategies that you can use to sell Notion templates. So once you've created your template, what you want to do is basically sell them efficiently. And this is how. You have to have a social proof. We basically have to share testimonials, even if it takes to fake them. You gotta do something, right? Or case studies from early users. Then you have to always come with bundles as well as promotions. For example, Gumroad is a neat way to sell. We actually have videos on our channel. You should check them out, by the way. Etsy or your own website to showcase your products. Bundles combine related templates to offer more value and encourage higher purchases. And these are few things you should keep in mind when you want to sell your Notion template.